Now start. The B0 will becomes 1 because in the previous example the X0 means n was n was 20. 20 is less than 105. So X0 becomes 1. So X0 becomes 1 because X0 is n value for 100 pixel is 20. So 20 is less than 105. So B0 will becomes 1. And what is the X1? X1 is W. W for pixel 100 is 105. 105 is greater than or equal to, is true or false? 105. See here, W is 105. 105 and X and I bar is also 105. So if X0 greater than or equal to I bar, then B1 becomes 0. So 105 is greater than or equal to I bar is 105. So B1 becomes 1. So in this way we will create a binary vector. This binary vector is in the form of 0 and 1. B0 will becomes 1. Why 1? Because B0 is equal to, if X0 is less than I bar, what is the value of I bar? Value of I bar is 105. And what is the value of X0? X0 is n was 20. 20 is less than 105. So B0 will becomes 1. What is the value of X1? X1 is W. W was 105 in the previous example. This is greater than or equal to I bar was 105. So B1 will becomes 0. And what is the value of X2? X2 is NW. NW means this pixel. So what is the value of NW? NW is 20. Again 20 is less than 105. So it will becomes 1. So B2 will becomes what? B2 will becomes 1. Again the value is X3. X3 means NE. What is NE? See here, what is NE? NE is this value. So see the example. So the example means this 25 is less than or equal to I bar. I bar is predicted value of the given pixel I. So it is 105. So 25 is less than 105. So again B3 will becomes 1. In the similar way, you will create a binary vector in the form of 0 and 1. Because 8 pixel contains 8 bit. So the binary vector will be in the form of 0 and 1. It contains 8 bit, B0 to B7 in the form of 0 and 1. That is denoted as alpha. Alpha is a binary vector. How we will create the binary vector? You will create the binary vector by applying a mapping function. Bk equal to 0 if xk is greater than or equal to the predicted value of the given pixel I. In the similar way, you will perform a grouping operation on the given pixels. After applying the grouping on the pixels, you will create a new prediction value. That is known as modified prediction value, that is known as I bar. And in this case you will also find a modified error that is known as x minus I bar. That is known as x minus I minus, because the pixel value is I. So what is the modified error? Modified error is equal to I minus modified prediction value, that is known as I bar. So the modified error E becomes I minus I bar. This modified error E is used to encode the whole image using the arithmetic coding. That is the whole procedure of the Calyx. That is the whole procedure. First step is take the original scheme image and take one pixel one by one. Take one pixel one by one. Find the predicted value of the given pixels and also find the prediction error. After finding the prediction value of the given pixel and the prediction error, you will find after applying the grouping in this similar way. After applying the grouping, you will find a new group. Each group has a modified prediction I bar and modified error E. This modified error that you will be used for encoding the entire image with the help of arithmetic coding. Arithmetic coding you have already seen in unit number 3rd. So this is the whole procedure. After applying this procedure on the given function, the reducible image, the experimental result image will be like that. After applying the whole procedure on the original image, the image will be look like that. This is the whole procedure of the Calyx. What is the procedure? What is the procedure?